You see that gorgeous?
Hi my loves, today we are giving an ordinary little piece a whole new life. I've been wanting an Ottoman for my space, but instead of buying one, I decided to make one myself. So let's DIY, decorate, and see if I can actually turn this simple piece into something cute enough for my home.
So this is me making an Ottoman. This struggle is real. So chill. Let me show you how I'm cutting this. It's really difficult because I'm using actual knife. I didn't get a blade.
Done cutting. So done cutting. The next thing is to sandpaper it. The package is ready, so I'm gonna clean it and then get back. So I finally managed to get 3 of this. It should go on the cover, So we're gonna be using contact adhesive to contact this. Okay. So I don't have a brush, but this will suffice. So I'm gonna be applying this. See that? It's glued together. That's we have a cushion somewhere. Cushion. For the remaining part here, we're gonna need glue, hot glue, and candle. Let me show you the drill. So here we're gonna burn our glue. My glue is hot. I'm gonna pull this and attach it like this. It's still hot, so it can go a long way. And just like that, it's super secure. It will not. So that's our top. See that Ottoman? Let's continue. And we are moving on strong. Glue applied and pipes sticked. Oh, it's quite a work. It's a whole lot of work. Slowly, step by step, you add the pipes. This is the last one. You see that? Oh, I didn't know this is a lot of work, but yup, there we are. For the last part, we are using the box. So this is the box. We're gonna glue it together. See? We're gonna glue it together. Then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with it. And finally, it's done. This is the downside. I was tying it. So this is how it looks like. You see that? So I'm gonna let it for a couple hours as I go get the things. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Very, very beautiful. Now I think I should have just added the table. This is the end result. It's not easy, guys, but it's worth it. See? It's worth every moment. It's time for second coat. now that is me, Peter Mamarangi. Fully polished, and everything looks exactly as I anticipated. See the pattern? And now see the PVC. It's beautiful.
And there it is. From a simple idea to my very own DIY Ottoman. And honestly, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love that I can create beautiful things for my home without spending much. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching this little DIY come to life. Until the next project, keep creating and making your space feel like home.